So we're going to look at well, I sort my microphone out. Good look at Zorin OS, which is running on a Core i3, very old Think Center PC. I'll find the chip it's got and put it in the notes, but I think it's something particularly weedy. But I just thought I'd show you it. It's a very nice Linux distribution, Zorin OS. So this is Zorin 17.2. I've pre-installed it. The install is very much like Ubuntu, but slightly nicer. And it's all right. It's got runs LabVIEW okay. I had a bit of a fight with no machine cursors and things like that. So this is LabVIEW all set up. This is the standard thing of downloading the CTI stuff. So there's a reasonably busy user interface and a reasonably busy block diagram, and fairly responsive. Certainly looks all right to me from a Windows perspective, a Linux perspective. We do a build. See how long it takes to build. While that's doing that, I'll just go and get a little Pico. Nice to see a little Pico. See if the Visa works. Okay, so that's built. So that's all right. That may be a Windows build. Let's have a look. Yeah, open with install Windows application. So that's no good to us. Top tip: you can't use your Windows build spec. So need to delete that and just build a new one. New application. Emulator. Emulator. So I'm reaching around my microphone. If you want to know what I'm doing. Source files. Bonk. 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 Build. That's done. And now if we look in that, you can see it's much more Linuxy, and we could just run it. Not going to do that. No point. Unless somebody desperately wants to see it. Okay, so if we look at Visa, well, I've discovered to make it a bit easier, you only need to install NiVisa, and it does everything else. It does the configuration and that. You just miss the hardware configuration utility, which is sometimes useful, but this tends to be the one I... Oh no! We don't have anything. So I'm just going to plug in my little device here. So just a little Pico with the CTI Visa overlay on it. So it should just wake up as always. We'll get that. Okay, so it's woken up. It's flashing. Stop flashing. Now if I refresh, and there's our resource found. And yeah, so that's all very nice. If we go to bonk, bonk, go to solutions, and we'll just quick look. I don't know what's a good one. Hello World's always the one I use. Always the one I modify the same way. Oh yeah, vendor. So just run that. So serial 1. Okay, run him. Bonk. There he is. Lovely. So that's all very straightforward. You have to set the dial out, or add your user to the dial out group, same as usual. Been through all that before. permissionsy stuff. But yeah, generally it's a nice thing. The installing software is fairly easy. They've got lots of. So let's have a look. If we go to system tools, I think it might be system tools, software. Got this nice little software thing here, so you can just go and find stuff. Don't know what could we be looking for. Let's go and look for GIMP, shall we? Yep. There he is. You can see he's got a flat hub and snap, so it's all nice and easy to install. It's all done for you. You can do it through the software, which is very nice. Most appreciated. It's got some. See if I can find it. It's got some funky. Zorin appearance. You can do some nice stuff. So right front and centre, you can do some nice stuff to the user interface. Give yourself sort of Windowsy type start bars and whack in some effects, which my daughter immediately liked. Those two. You got desktop cubes. You've got all sorts of going on here. You've got themes as well, so you can change all your themes. That's very nice. So Jelly is. Did I not turn it on? If I did. Sorry, appearance. I really like Jelly. Perhaps I have to OK it. Oh, Jelly mode. I didn't put it on. Okay, try that. I don't really know why you would want that, but it is quite cool. Does give a nice feel for the wing. So that's all quite nice. Yes, it's quite dinky, really. I think it's a nice operating system. I think they've done a lovely job. Get some nice backgrounds. So generally, everything is tickety-boo on it. I'll give you a brief look at what I'm next going to play with, or what I'm interested in playing with. So this is a webcam viewer. And I bought this little microscope off of eBay for £11. Yeah, quite keen on. Let's see if I can find something. Hey, little arrow. Yeah, I'm quite keen on linking this with the OpenCV tools and making a CTI vision type, imaging type, MAFC type OpenCV branch of the lessons. So that's what I'm playing with at the moment. Me and John Medland hopefully are going to have a play with that, because he has a library I want to use.